So yeah guys, good morning, what a beautiful morning. Do you see my grapes guys? Do you see my grapes? They are growing guys, they are growing. We're upcycling now. My harvest. My harvest guys. As you can see. I just wanna go nearby and tune in for you. You see my harvest guys. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty guys? Look. My own harvest guys. It's grapes. It's grapes guys. So I do those types of jobs also, and I used to work at engineering, but now I'm a YouTuber. I do YouTube videos. So guys, if you like my content, you can comment, like and subscribe. Look, see it's grapes guys, it's grapes, and I'm basically in South Africa. I'm living in South Africa in the Western Cape. So yeah guys. This is my grapes that are growing in our yard guys. It's not in a farm, it's in our own yard. So yeah guys, see, it's what they say. If you good, you will grow good. You see, goodness takes time guys. Goodness takes time guys. Goodness takes time guys. So yeah, this is my grapes guys. Goodness takes time guys. Goodness takes time. And God bless us. See how the Lord bless me and my family. I just want to tune in guys. See that grapes, small but they are growing. They are growing guys. So if you like this content, you can follow me, like and subscribe. And if you like more content of me guys, you can only tell me guys. See, this is in the front of our yard. So yeah guys, you can just tell me what do you say? Yeah guys, this is South Africa. This is South Africa. See guys, it's our harvest guys. It's our harvest. It is our harvest guys. Just want to show you guys. So yeah guys, if you like it, you can only comment guys. You can comment guys. You can comment guys. You can comment guys if you like it. Yeah guys, so this is a plum tree guys. It's still young but it's growing. It's growing.